Applications of power electronics. Why do you want to study power electronics? Where can we use it? Power electronics finds its place in many applications, right from cell phone battery charger to driving motors, relays, uninterruptible power supply that is UPS, speed control of motors, welding machines, induction heating, plasma cutting machine, and many others. Let's get into each application one by one. Uninterruptible power supply, that is UPS. Whenever the mains power supply fails, UPS converts 12 volts battery supply to 230 volts 50 Hz and restores the power. Speed control of motor. Power electronics is used to drive DC motor as well as AC motor with variable voltages and parameters. Speed change in DC motors are done by varying the DC voltage, whereas in AC motor both voltage and frequency is changed. Welding machines or cutting machines. Welding machines are constant current power supply and needs constant current for most of the welding application. Induction heating. This is a relatively new field. Any conductor is heated effectively in this process. The system consists of a job coil, which is the primary of the transformer and is coupled magnetically to the job, which forms one turn secondarily. Plasma cutting machine. Big metal plates and bars can be cut within seconds by using this application. There is a high amount of current flow through the job and using air pressure the molten metal is blown off. Power supply. All electronic devices need DC voltage for its operation, right from the radio to battery charger, television and other entertainment products to industrial products. Electroplating. Electroplating is another application and we will deal with this application in later series. Switching losses. When the MOSFET is switching from on state to off state or vice versa, the voltage across the MOSFET increases and current decreases or vice versa. The amount of time it takes during the transition is the switching loss. It is directly proportional to the rise time and fall time. Half bridge is used for more than 400 watts. Output to 1200 watts typically. IR2110 is a MOSFET gate driver with 2 amps source and sink current and can be used till 500 volts. The control PWM chip UC3825 is a commonly available chip with 2 PWM waveforms 180 degrees apart. Push-pull suffers from unequal pulse width, causes flux walking and saturating the core. Full bridge topology is used for high power application. Please send your email ID for information on release of new CDs. Please don't make copies of the CD for commercial use. Every CD has a receipt number and please register your receipt number with your email ID by sending an email at info@tsystemselectronics.com. Once we get email, we will notify you in your email. With this CD, we will have many questions for me. Once you start working on power electronics or start studying about power electronics, we will send you periodic free updates and help you to feel satisfied for doing business with us. We are introducing more CDs on digital electronics